Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Today the topic is how to apply for PayPal business loan. Should you consider PayPal working capital for your business? Traditional funding options such as obtaining a loan through the bank or use a credit card are becoming increasingly difficult for small business to acquire. Just one of many being PayPal working capital, which has significantly grown in popularity since its launch back in 2014. However, with several negative reviews of PayPal working capital loans on the internet and with many other alternative funding options also available to small business, you may ask, is it really the best way of obtaining extra funds for your company? That's why we have decided to conduct our own research and produce this PayPal business loan review. How does PayPal working capital work? PayPal working capital is a business loan with just one fixed fee, which is then repaid using a percentage of your future PayPal sales. There are no interest rates or early repayment fees. Once your application to receive the business loan has been approved, you can expect to have the fund deposited into your PayPal account within as little as a few minutes. As is often the case with more traditional funding options, when it comes around to making the repayments, they will be taken automatically from your PayPal account as and when sales are made. How much can you borrow with PayPal working capital? The maximum cash advance amount is determined by your PayPal sales value and account history, plus any previous usage of PayPal working capital. In order to be accepted for PayPal working capital, you must have a PayPal business account for at least 90 days, 3 months, and process yearly PayPal sales of £9,000 at minimum. This is of course convenient for any small business who makes regular use of PayPal, but for those who don't, it would be a lengthy process to get you set up with it. If your business is frequent PayPal user, then the total loan sum which you would be able to borrow is determined by the number of PayPal sales that you process annually. Looking to borrow a large sum of money, this percentage may bring too many limitations. How do you apply for PayPal working capital? You can apply loan for working capital through the PayPal website. You will receive your loan within just a few minutes. Furthermore, applying has no impact on both personal and business credit score. However, as previously stated, in order to receive working capital, your business must already have been a frequent PayPal user for at least 3 months. How much does it cost? With PayPal working capital, there is just one fixed fee to pay. There is no interest, no late fees, or fees to pay for an additional repayments. By having a higher repayment percentage, the cost of fixed fee will be lower, and vice versa. It is, however, also worth noting that with PayPal working capital, you will not be able to sell future receivables as you can with other funding options. Who funds PayPal working capital? Back in 1999, PayPal was first developed and investigated as a money transfer service funded by John Maley of Blue Run Ventures. How is PayPal working capital calculated? PayPal working capital is calculated based on your PayPal sales history and volumes, your previous account history, and if you have taken out a PayPal working capital loan previously. Merchant cash advance. While PayPal working capital operates similarly to a merchant cash advance, particularly in the way in which you repay it, it does in effect differ from a merchant cash advance and is instead simply a short-term business loan. Furthermore, whilst online PayPal working capital reviews are generally positive, some who have used PayPal working capital have complained about a range of different problems, include a lack of reliability, problems with approval, and even PayPal working capital being difficult to apply for initially. It is also worth taking note that with PayPal working capital, there is no advantage to making early repayments. The merchant cash advance is a great other option as it carries with it a great number of benefits. It is to be repaid in accordance with the fixed fee which you and the lender initially agreed upon, and in the line with your monthly revenue through card sales. The application process is also incredibly quick. You can complete the relevant forms entirely online in the space of just a few minutes, making it just as simple and convenient and a great way to solve any of your business cash flow problems rapidly and efficiently. The merchant cash advance product is also relatively easy to qualify for and doesn't rely on you having to have a PayPal account already. The funding that is offered to you by a merchant cash advance is immensely convenient, flexible, and stable, and definitely a great funding option for you to consider. In summary, PayPal working capital certainly has the potential to be a great funding option for several business owners who already heavily rely on PayPal in the general day-to-day running of their business. However, for those businesses who do not use PayPal for frequently and devotedly, there are much better alternative funding options out there, such as the merchant cash advance. Before opting for PayPal working capital, be sure to do your research thoroughly and use an online PayPal working capital calculator to gain a better understanding of what you might be able to borrow. So this is the procedures to apply for PayPal business loan. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.